For years you've been trying to attract a baddie, but you just can't seem to get her attention. Even after investing huge sums of money on dates, parties and events, you can't seem to get her to think that you can be her attractive mate. Well, that's the story of 99.99% of the male population in today's world. You see, social media has rigged the game by putting false expectations on men. Movies have changed the idea of romance, turning men into simps. And video games, don't even get me started on how that's warped your minds. It's time to wake up, men. It's time to level up. In today's video, we look at 5 simple hacks that make women think about you non-stop. Keep watching to see Monk Mode, self-developed men's life improvement guide, red pill, and men's mental health awareness. The high-value man of Fearless Forge will show you how to get a woman to think about you all the time, how to get a girl to think about you, how to get a woman to think about you non-stop, and how to make women think about you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Brinbits for more high-quality content. Gentlemen, let's talk about monk mode. Now, I'm not saying you need to shave your head, move to a mountaintop and start chanting. This isn't about abandoning society. It's about taking control. It's about silencing the noise, the distractions, the constant barrage of information that's keeping you from reaching your full potential. How many hours a day do you spend scrolling through social media, watching mindless videos, or chasing fleeting pleasures? It's time to cut that out. It's time to reclaim your time and invest it in yourself. Monk mode is about discipline. It's about setting goals and sticking to them, no matter what. It's about building a routine that prioritizes self-improvement. This could mean hitting the gym consistently, mastering a new skill, or simply dedicating time to quiet reflection and planning. Now you might be thinking, Kevin, what does this have to do with women? Everything. You see, women are attracted to strength, to purpose, to men who are going somewhere in life. When you dedicate yourself to self-improvement, when you exude confidence and ambition, it's magnetic. It's not about becoming someone you're not. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. And trust me, women notice that. They see a man who's in control of his life, a man who's going places, and they can't help but be drawn in. So how do you implement monk mode? Start small. Identify 1 or 2 areas of your life you want to improve. Maybe it's your fitness, your finances, or your social skills. Set realistic goals and create a plan to achieve them. Eliminate distractions. Put your phone on, do not disturb, unsubscribe from those tempting email lists, and create a dedicated space for your self-improvement journey. Remember, consistency is key. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stick with it and you'll be amazed at the transformation you'll undergo, both internally and in the eyes of the women you desire. Monk mode is about more than just attracting women. It's about building a life you're proud of, a life that commands respect. And when you have that, trust me, the right woman will take notice. Let me tell you something, gentlemen. The days of coasting through life on mediocrity are over. In today's competitive world, you need to be constantly evolving, constantly learning, constantly leveling up. That's what self-development is all about. Now, I'm not just talking about getting another degree or adding another bullet point to your resume. I'm talking about expanding your mind, acquiring new skills, and becoming a more well-rounded individual. Think about it. What are your passions? What interests you? What have you always wanted to learn but never made the time for? It's time to stop making excuses and start investing in yourself. Read books, and I'm not talking about those self-help books that promise you the world with no effort. I'm talking about books that challenge you, that expand your perspective, that teach you something new about history, science, philosophy, whatever piques your interest. Take online courses. There are countless resources available at your fingertips, many of them free, that can teach you valuable skills in areas like coding, marketing, design, and more. Attend workshops and seminars. Get out there and learn from experts in their field. Network with other driven individuals who are also on a path of self-improvement. The more you learn, the more you grow, the more interesting and engaging you become. And let me tell you, women are attracted to men who are intellectually stimulating, who can hold a conversation, who can teach them something new. When you invest in your self-development, you're not just investing in yourself, you're investing in your future, in your relationships, in your overall quality of life. You're becoming the type of man who attracts high-quality partners, who commands respect, who makes a real impact on the world. So what are you waiting for? Start small. Pick one area you want to improve and dive in. The journey of self-development is ongoing, but The rewards are immeasurable. Chapter 3. Men's Life Improvement Guide. Upgrade your style, upgrade your life. Let's be real, gentlemen, first impressions matter. And in today's visual world, your appearance speaks volumes before you even open your mouth. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a male model, but you do need to present yourself in a way that commands respect, that exudes confidence, that shows the world you take pride in yourself. That's where this Men's Life Improvement Guide comes in. It's time to upgrade your style, and I'm not just talking about clothes, although we'll get to that. I'm talking about your overall presentation. First and foremost, fitness. Hit the gym, lift weights, get in shape. A strong, fit physique is a sign of discipline, of self-respect, of virility. It shows women you're capable of protecting yourself, of providing, of being a strong and reliable partner. Next, grooming. Pay attention to your hair, your beard, your skin. Get regular haircuts, find a grooming routine that works for you, and invest in quality products. Your appearance is a reflection of your self-worth, so make sure it's sending the right message. Now, let's talk about clothes. Dress for the occasion, but always aim to dress sharp. Invest in a few key pieces that fit you well and make you feel confident. A well-tailored suit, a crisp white shirt, a quality pair of shoes. These are investments that will pay dividends in the long run, but it's not just about the clothes themselves, it's about how you wear them. Stand tall, make eye contact, and project an air of confidence. Your body language speaks volumes, so make sure it's saying the right things. Upgrading your style isn't about vanity, it's about self-respect. It's about putting your best foot forward and showing the world the best version of yourself. And when you do that, trust me, the right woman will take notice. Chapter 4. Red Pill Awareness. Decode the matrix, master the game. Gentlemen, it's time to have a real conversation, a conversation that might make some people uncomfortable. We're talking about red pill awareness, about understanding the realities of female nature and the dynamics of the dating market. Now, before you get your feelings hurt, understand this isn't about demonizing women. It's about seeing the world through a clear lens without the rose-colored glasses of societal programming. The red pill is about understanding that women, like men, are driven by their biological instincts. They're attracted to certain traits, to status, to resources, to men who can provide for and protect them. It's about recognizing that the dating market is a marketplace like any other, with its own rules and dynamics. And just like in any marketplace, you need to understand the value you bring to the table. This isn't about manipulation or trickery. It's about being honest with yourself about your strengths and weaknesses, about understanding what women are looking for, and about presenting yourself in the best possible light. It's about recognizing that chivalry, while admirable in its own right, is often misinterpreted in today's dating world. It's about understanding that women are attracted to men who are assertive, who take charge, who are leaders, not followers. Now, this doesn't mean you should become some alpha male caricature. It simply means you need to be comfortable in your own skin, confident in your own value, and willing to go after what you want. The red pill is about empowering yourself with knowledge, with understanding, with the tools you need to navigate the complexities of the dating world. It's about taking control of your own romantic destiny and attracting the type of woman you deserve. Chapter 5. Men's Mental Health Awareness. Build an unbreakable mind, attract an unbreakable bond. Gentlemen, we've talked about physical fitness, about style, about understanding the dating game, but none of that matters if you're not mentally and emotionally strong. That's why men's mental health awareness is so crucial. In today's world, men are bombarded with messages telling them to suppress their emotions, to be tough, to never show weakness. But let me tell you something. Bottling up your emotions is a recipe for disaster. It's time to break free from those outdated notions of masculinity and prioritize your mental health. It's time to build an unbreakable mind that can withstand the storms of life. Start by acknowledging your emotions. It's okay to feel sad, angry, frustrated, whatever it may be. Don't try to suppress those feelings. Instead, acknowledge them, process them, and let them go. Find healthy coping mechanisms. Whether it's exercise, meditation, journaling, or talking to a therapist, find what works for you and make it a part of your routine. Build a support system. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who you can talk to, who you can confide in, who will lift you up when you're down. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. It takes courage to admit when you're struggling, and it takes even more courage to reach out for help. When you prioritize your mental health, you're not just doing it for yourself, you're doing it for your future partner as well. Women are attracted to men who are emotionally stable, who are confident in themselves, who can handle life's challenges with grace and resilience. So, gentlemen, take care of your mental health. Build an unbreakable mind, and you'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on every aspect of your life, including your relationships. Thanks for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Bryn Bits for more tips on becoming a high-value man. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more content on how to make women think about you non-stop.